Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina if you are new here. Today is a quick video on my nighttime skincare routine.
Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be.
Normally, I do this routine one time per week, especially during the winter time, because the winter time is the coldest and our skin is the driest during that time. So this routine is full of anti-aging and moisturizing ingredients like tea tree, goat milk, and hyaluronic acid. I like to cleanse my face with a little oil, and today I'm using hemp-infused neem oil. This neem oil clears acne, scars, pigmentation, blackheads. It is antifungal, antibacterial, removes toxins, moisturizes without clogging pores, help promote balance, and reduces signs of aging. I like to use a microfiber towel to remove the makeup, oil, and debris from my skin. Next, I like to use soap to cleanse my face. This soap is an anti-aging soap that has goat milk and tea tree in it. It also has African raw black soap, shea butter, cocoa butter, aloe vera, vitamin E, soybean protein, potassium hydrate, and other essential oils. And once or twice a week, I like to use this massager for my face. It really helps with getting dirt and debris out of my pores. I got this massager from, I believe I got it from Marshall's for about $7.99. After rinsing my face, I use a soft cloth paper towel to wipe away the water from my face. Next, I like to go in with a steamer, and I really only steam my face and do a detox mask on my face about every 3 weeks to a month. Steaming your face is a great way to open your pores for an even more deep cleaning. And it even allows products to penetrate your skin even better. This rosehip clay really detox my skin. It has organic rosehip oil, shea butter, and aloe vera. These little wristbands are so useful. They stop the water from running down your arms when you are washing your face. I got them off of Amazon. I'll leave them also in the description box. After rinsing the clay off my face, I go back in with a moisturizing soap that has goat milk and oatmeal in it, and it also has honey in it. This moisturizing soap is really good to use in your eczema and psoriasis regimen. It has goat milk, it is high in vitamins, it's extremely moisturizing for dry skin. It has oatmeal. The oatmeal gently exfoliates your skin. Now, you know I can't do a full skincare routine without doing a face sheet mask. Now, this sheet mask is from Azura, I believe that's how you pronounce it. And this face mask is so moisturizing, very, very moisturizing. It is a hemp and hyaluronic moisturizing, nourishing face mask. It says it hydrates, rejuvenate, and is an anti-aging face mask, and it has anti-aging properties. It also has vitamin E and antioxidants, which replenish tired, dull, and dehydrated skin. Now, every time I do my skincare routine, morning or night, I do go in with a vitamin C serum. And vitamin C is really good for, vitamin C is a great building block for collagen to be reproduced. This serum is very lightweight and it does not clog my pores. So once or twice a month, I use this to help massage and remove any tension I may have under my skin. Next, I like to use this Fenty night cream. This night cream is very moisturizing. It has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid in it. Like I said, it's very moisturizing. You can just see the moisture on my face. You can see the shine that it gives to my face. I really love this product. Finally, I like to make sure my lips are also nice and moisturized. This lip mask is from Bath & Body Works and I love it. Alright, so that is all to my nighttime routine. I know it may seem a little extensive, but remember, I really only do this once a week, sometimes once every 2 weeks. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Everything you need, waves, curves, and kings. Simply divine is where you need to be. Everything you need.